Okay, na? Hi children, how are you? I hope you are all hale and healthy. Stay indoors. If you want, don't come out unless it is really necessary. So if you come out, you be careful and wear masks and keep safe distance from others. I hope you follow these instructions. So let us start our topic. Already, as we have studied in earlier classes about the number system. Number system means that is about natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, and rational numbers, irrational numbers, prime numbers, composite numbers. So let us recall a little bit about those numbers. So let us know about natural numbers. What are natural numbers? Natural numbers means the numbers which we use to count the objects are called natural numbers. The natural numbers are also called counting numbers. So natural numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so on. So that is n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so on. These are the natural numbers. Next, whole numbers. Whole numbers. What are whole numbers? The whole numbers means the number 0 and natural numbers put together is called whole numbers. The number 0 and natural numbers put together is called whole numbers. Or else the numbers that start from 0 are also called whole numbers. Next, integers. Integers means the negative numbers and whole numbers. Negative numbers means you know that -1, -2, -3, -4, so on, and whole numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. These are called integers. These are called integers. Otherwise, the number 0 and positive numbers and negative numbers put together is called integers. The set of integers represented by the letter I or Z. I or Z. Next, prime numbers. What are prime numbers? Prime numbers. Prime numbers means the natural numbers are whole numbers. The natural numbers are whole numbers which divisible by themselves except one are called prime numbers. Or else the numbers which have only two factors, number itself and one is are called prime numbers. Prime numbers means the natural numbers are whole numbers which divisible by themselves except one are called prime numbers. The prime numbers are 2. 2 1 2 only. 2 is the prime number. 3 is the prime number. 3 1 3 only. So 4 is not prime number. Why? Because not only 4 1 2 2 also. So it has 4 has factors 1 2 4. So it has more than 2 factors. More than 2 factors means they are not prime numbers. Only prime numbers will have only 2 factors, number itself and one only. So 4 is not a prime number. Prime numbers are 2, 3, 5. 5 1 5 only. 7 1 7 only. 11 1 11 only. 13 1 13 only. 17 1 17 only. 19 1 19 only. 23 1 20. They are called prime numbers. Prime numbers, we will conclude that prime numbers means the natural numbers are whole numbers which are divisible by themselves and one only. So they are called prime numbers. Composite numbers. What are composite numbers? Composite numbers. Composite numbers means other than prime numbers. The natural numbers are whole numbers which have factors. Other than one and themselves. Other than one and themselves are called composite numbers. So composite number, let us say that 4. 4 is a composite number. Why means 2 into 2 into 1. 6. 6 factors. 1 into 2 into 3. 8. 1 into 2 into 2 into 2. These are 9. 9 is a composite number. 3 3 is 9 into 1. So composite number will have more than 2 factors. So the numbers which have more than 2 factors are called composite numbers. Composite number only you can split into factors, more than 2 factors. So far we learned about number system, natural number 2, composite numbers. Composite numbers. Next, multiples. What are multiples? Multiples. Multiples of numbers. Multiples means is nothing but factors. 2 multiples. Multiples of 2. What are the multiples of 2? Multiples of 2 means just like we have read out the 2 table. 2 table is only 2 multiples. That is 2 multiples are 2 1 is 2, 2 2 is 4, 2 3 is 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, so on. These are the 2 multiples. Multiples of 3. Multiples of 3. 3 multiples. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, so on. These are the multiples. Multiples and multiples. These are the multiples. Next, factors. Factors. What are the factors? Factors means which can be split into 6 is there. 6 factors. 2 into 3 into 1. The factors of 6. 2, 3, 1. 1, 2, 3 are the factors of 6. Next, 9. 1 into 3 into like this. Otherwise, for example, 28 is there. By division method also you can factorize. This is 2 14 jar, 2 7 jar. So factors of 28 are, one is the factor of every number. As you know that one is the factor of every number. Number itself also factor. So the factors of 28 are 1, 2, 7, 14, 28. These are the factors of 28. So far we learned about multiples and factors. Now I give some problems on this topic, which is the assignment, which is the least natural number. Least natural number. Least natural number. You can answer. What is the least whole number? What is the least whole number? Whole number. Write the factors of 14, 18, 24. Next, write the multiples of 4, 9, 12. Example, you know that which is the least natural number is what? 1. Least whole number is, the whole number starts from 0. 0 is the least whole number. Write the factors of 14. 14 factors. 14 factors. You know, just now I showed how to factorize. Multiples also. Write the multiples of 4. 4 multiples means 4 table. 4 1 is 4, 4 2 is 8, 4 is 12, 4 5 is 20, 4 6 is 24, so on like that. You can do, you can write multiples of 9 and 12 and so on. Now, one more. Assignment 2. Write the multiples of 3 lie between 21 and 30. The multiples of 3 lying between 21 and 30. What are the multiples of 3 lying between 21 and 30 means whatever multiples are there between 21 and 30 you have to write. This is write the multiples of 12 lying between 36 and 85. Multiples of 12 lying between 36 and 85. These. So far we have discussed about factors and multiples. So let us see now. Let us see about the LCM. So most of you people, you know, already you have touched with the LCM and SCM. LCM, you know that. What is LCM? LCM means least common multiple. Least common multiple. LCM. Least common multiple. LCM. Least common multiple. Like find LCM of to find the LCM of 4 and 20. So this can be done by two methods, by writing multiples and by division method. So by writing the multiples of 4, multiples of 4, 4 1 4, 8, 12, 16, 4 5 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40 and so on. Similarly, multiples of 20 multiples, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, so on. In this, we have to pick up the common multiples. What are the common multiples? Common multiples of 4 and 20. Common means which are present in the 4. So let us underline the common. 4 here, no 4. 8 here, no 8 here. 12 here, no 12. So which is the common here? 20. 20 common. 20 and 40 common. 20 and 40. These are the common multiples. Common multiple means they are present in both. So in this least one, smallest one, LCM is equal to least one is 20. So therefore, the LCM of 4 and 20 is, the LCM of 4 and 20 is 20. This is the method of writing the multiples. Writing the multiples, you can find the LCM. And division method. Division method. 4, 24, common 20. So which table will go? So whatever number you take, you should go in the both the numbers. That number you have to take. Two tables. 2 to the 4, 2 10 and 20. 200 2 by the. So LCM is equal 2 into 1 into 5. So this is here by writing multiples also got LCM 20, by division method also LCM 20. These are the two methods. Next, HCF, highest common factor. So this is also LCM can be done by third method. Not only these two, writing multiples, and by division method. The third method also is there. So let us complete the third method. Then you go for HCF. This is only previous knowledge only. So the things, the basic things which you learned in 8th and 9th Those only I am revising. So till LCM, two methods I explained. Now I am going for third method, how to find the LCM. The third method finding the LCM is by writing prime factors. By writing prime factors. Find the LCM of 12 and 14 or 48 and 64. So let us find factorize 48 first. You know how to find factorize. Prime number you take. What is the least prime number? 2 is the least prime number. With the 2 you do it. 2 to the 4, to 24 ja, to 12 ja, to 6 ja, to 3. So 48 factors. Let us write these factors in the exponential form. So 2 how many times here? 1, 2, 3, 4 times. 2 power 4 into 3. This is. Next 64. 64 prime factorizing. 2 3 are 6. 2 2 are 2 16 are 2 8 are 2 4 are 2 2 are. So 64 equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6. 2 power 6. In this you pick up the common factors. Common factors. Common factors are common factors with highest power. With highest power. You pick the common factors with highest power. Common factor is what? 2 common. 2 here and here. Which is the highest power? 2 power 6. That you take. Now uncommon factors. Take uncommon. Uncommon factors. What is the uncommon factor? 3 is the uncommon factor. Now LCM is equal product of common factors with highest power. Highest power and uncommon. And uncommon. What is the LCM? LCM of the 48 and 64 is product of common factors with highest power. Common factor of highest power is what? 2 power 6. 2 power 6 into uncommon factor is, we wrote 3. So 2 power 6. 2 power 6 means 64 into 3. 192. The LCM of 48 and 64 is 192. This is the method of, these are the 3 methods. Using these 3 methods you can find the LCM. One is writing the multiples that already we learned in the 6th and 7th and 8th class, 9th also, and by division method also. The third method, new method is by writing, by factorizing and picking up the common factors, and the LCM is the product of common factors with highest power and uncommon factors is the LCM. This is next HCM.